Hello guys, and welcome to our new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create Oldubil account and get a free Turkish virtual card to buy any Turkish shops and services like Steam, Discord, Epic Games, and many others. So to start, we need to download two apps from Play Store. The first app, which is Oldubil. Just click here, and then you need to install it. I already installed the app, so I don't need to install it again. And the second app, which is rentsms. So basically, we will get the number using rentsms app to create Oldubil account. Just click there. Let's go back now, and now click on Oldubil app icon. Let's wait. We need to click on register. Here we need to type our name. For the sake of this video, I'll just use some random name. Here your surname. And need to check this 3 button and click on next. Now we need to get the number from rentsms. I will show you how you can buy the number using rentsms app. By the way, they have also the website. You can check it later. Click on the rentsms. So you need to have account balance to be able to buy the number. So we need to add fund first of all. You can use coin payment or PayPal or credit card as you like. And later, when you have the balance on your account, come here and click on numbers. Click on buy numbers. Select the country. I will just go with Lithuania this time. Click on buy. Here you need to select the renting period. For example, 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, and 1 year. It's up to you guys. You can see here the price and everything. I will just choose 1 month and click on order. Now you can see the number. The Lithuanian number, it's active for 1 month. I will just copy it now, like this. Click on copy and go back to Oldubil. Just paste the number here, and here I need to change the country code to 370, the Lithuanian one, which is it's here. Need to click on next. Now we need to go back to rentsms to get the verification code. We need to choose the number and click on inbox. Yes, it's here. It's already there. Just need to copy it. 117. Let me type it here. 117 928. Yeah, exactly. 928. And click on continue. Now we need to choose our password, which should be 6-digit, guys. Sorry, 6-digit. And here they say the passwords can't contain repetitive numbers. That means we need to choose 6 numbers that they are not the same. You don't need to repeat the same numbers. Okay, let me check it. Okay, no, sorry, no, it didn't work. Right, I will choose another one. No. Okay, so the numbers shouldn't be the same, and click on next. As you can see, guys, this is the dashboard of Oldubil account. We have successfully created Oldubil account using rentsms number. So we have the number for the next month in case we want to get to log in into our Oldubil account. We don't need to be afraid. Every time Oldubil account send us SMS verification, we can go to rentsms and get the SMS code and verify our number, our account, or our Oldubil Oldubil account without any problems. So you can see here the VCC that we got from the Oldubil, the remaining deposit. Here you can add or deposit money into this account. Yes, it's easy, I guess. Let me go back. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.